Lot number 420 is a 2007 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has been running for like 40 minutes now, idling nice and smooth. Transmission engages. It drove well throughout the parking lot. I'm going to show you what I see up close, so let's get to it. The passenger side fender is dented in multiple places. The front bumper looks okay. It has a small dent right here. The decal is missing. The Ford decal is missing. The hood looks good. The driver's side door is dented. It's got a nap height toolbox, which the paint is peeling, and it's got surface rust. All the doors appear to be in good shape. The rear bumper is good, just has surface rust on it, and it does not have a hitch. The bed had that bed lining protection, and it's in pretty good shape. It's got some surface rust, but it's solid. It's got the ladder rack. The paint is peeling, and it's got the bar that you can put a master lock. Extra security, which is needed here in Miami. The tires look good, all four of them. The rims are nice. The cab is in pretty good shape, other than just that fender. The back looks good, a little bit of surface rust. The motor sounds good. The AC is not blowing cold, not. The driver's side of the bench seat is broken, torn. The headliner is good. The steering wheel looks good. AC is hot. Door panels look good. Floor covering is good. The pedal shows wear. It's got an AM/FM radio, manual windows, and it's got the check engine light on. Let me rev it up. Let me turn off the hot air. Let me rev it up for you. Motor revs up nice, and it sounds good. It's got 104,557 miles. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. Good work, truck. Good luck.